Lay your head on my pillow. Lay it down, lay it down, lay it down, oh lay it down. Alright, we got some nice hair here. We got some good looking hair here, okay? So I'm gonna spray the hair down a little bit. Just a little bit. We ain't gotta go crazy now. So I twist the bottom of the ponytail, and then we're gonna leave it like this. You're done. That's it. You're good to go. Just kidding. I like to joke, okay? And if that's how you want to wear your hair, you can. And the reveal. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and today I'm back with another video. Another video. So I am in the middle, week three of a growth challenge. So I am not going to be showing you a bomb wash and go today. We're gonna switch it up. I'm going to be showing you like a cute high slick ponytail that you can do using clip-ins. I'm going to be using the Knappy hair clip-ins. I've been playing around with these a lot because I've been protective styling, so it's a good way to switch up your style, but you ain't gotta have your hair out. So if you are into natural hair and a little bit of beauty, then just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our uploads. We upload every Tuesday and Friday. Just go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. It don't cost you nothing. You're gonna get some good content. You can even give me suggestions and I'll come through with the content for you. Let's talk. But let's just get started. So, because, you know, we in quarantine right now, okay? We in quarantine. You know, we on quarantine. On quarantine or in quarantine, I don't know. But you know, we on lockdown in the house. And I've been doing protective styles for 3 weeks. This is my third week, going on my third week. And as you can see, my hair is a mess, a hot mess. So I'm going to do a high slick ponytail, and I'm just going to use this hair to like make it look cute. So first of all, let me take off my glasses because it's not gonna work out with that. So I'm just gonna spray my hair first. It's a really quick and easy style too, so don't be intimidated. You just need some water, some gel, moisturizer. That's what I would recommend. Water, gel, moisturizer. I'm going to use this moisture cream from Uncle Funky's Daughter. It is a really good moisture cream. It really does help to moisturize your hair super quickly, and it just makes your hair more pliable, makes it pliable, so you're able to manipulate it more. I want to make sure I get my ends because that's the part I'm more concerned about. Getting this in a ponytail isn't a problem. If I'm not doing a wash and go specifically, I don't really want to gel my hair down in place because that's not the way your hair naturally would be. So I think that's why I get nervous, because it causes tension. When there's tension on your hair, it kind of, you know, it actually just like makes it more challenging. So I'm just gonna pull this up to where I think I'm gonna want it, which is pretty high. And I'm doing it this high for now, but it's gonna change in a second. I'm just going to do this. It's not even high enough actually. But I'm gonna do the ends, and then I'm going to braid this. I'm gonna put this in a braid so then it's easier to manage when I'm trying to do the rest of my hair. See? Just add a little bit of moisture, make it easier for it to get into one braid, and that'll just make it easier for me in general. Their clips are going to attach to it, so we're just going to braid it up. And even though your hair is loosening, that's totally fine. I probably look like a hot mess, but you know what? the way it's gonna be after this though. The way it's gonna be after this, okay? Hair's about to work out, yeah. See, now it's gonna be easier when I'm trying to put it into a ponytail. You wanna make sure you get the back of your hair. It's not like, it's gonna be a really high ponytail, but it's gonna, I'm gonna put the, you're not gonna be able to see this part right here, but you still wanna make sure you at least get it a little bit. You know what I mean? Just get it a little bit. I've only used Style Factor for this style, but it should be fine. So I'm just gonna take some gel and I'm gonna put that on the edges here and work it in. You know, get your hair done, get your hair did. Just lick it back. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure you're pushing it in the direction that you want all your hair to be, obviously. And you can do this as high or as low as you want it. You can definitely make this like a low bun. It's totally up to you, girl. It's totally up to you. You just want it to be as slick as possible. So it doesn't have to be like super tight or anything like that, but you do want to make sure your hair is as slick as possible. So if too much hair got moved, you might need to unravel it just to make sure you're getting all of it in, all of your hair in. But just having it braided helped to at least make it easier to put it in a ponytail. Okay. So it's here. And then we're just gonna twist it around. Get it a couple good times. And there. Okay. So now again, we're gonna braid this part up. And the reason we're braiding it is because we're gonna attach hair to this. I twist the bottom of the ponytail. And then we're gonna leave it like this. You're done. That's it. You're good to go. I'm just kidding right now. I'm just kidding. I like to joke, okay? If that's how you want to wear your hair, you can. I mean, no complaints over here for me, okay? But see how this part needs to be done a little bit more? So we're gonna slick it down. I'm not liking the way Wetline is doing this here. I think I'm gonna go back to Style Factor, okay? I'm just gonna go back to Style Factor. I love this for wash and goes though. I really do love this for wash and goes. So I'm going to take some of it and I'm going to, see, that's already better. And I'm just gonna slick all this down. And then I'm gonna undo the ponytail and put it back. So this may take a couple tries for you. It normally doesn't take me this long, but hey, you know, get in front of the camera, things change, okay? Things change when you're trying to explain. Anybody else who does YouTube, you probably know. See how much slicker that is? See how much better that is? Shoot. And see how easy it is to put it in a ponytail when... Alright, so we're just gonna leave it alone. Now this is the part where you can do your edges, child. If you like to do the edges and you like to have like your edges real laid and slayed to the gourds, this is your time to shine, okay? But I personally don't really like doing edges. I'm sure most of you who follow me know I'm not really big into edges, but I do like a sleek style, and I do like my edges like laid down. I'm just not into the swooping and dabbing and doing it, and you know. So I'm just going to put this on. This is my scarf I use when I'm like laying down my hair as I'm doing my makeup. So as you can see, there's makeup on it. So excellent. So I'm just gonna lay this down. Lay your head on my pillow. Lay your head on my pillow. And lay it down, lay it down, lay it down, oh lay it down. Alright, now what we're going to do is take a rubber band. This is not necessary, but it's necessary for me. because we're attaching hair to this ponytail, I don't like attaching it to this little piece and I don't like it hanging. So I just kind of pull it up. Look at this side. So just kind of push it up here and then put the rubber band in. So we got some nice hair here. We got some good looking hair here, okay? So I'm gonna spray the hair down a little bit. Just a little bit. We ain't gotta go crazy now. We're just trying to get a little bit of moisture on here, just because I really don't like it when it doesn't match, like how should I say that? How much moisture on your head don't match how much moisture is with your real hair, and it don't match what's like the hair that you put in. You know what I'm saying? Like, that ain't cute. And for situations like this, I do try to use things that I normally don't use. And that's not to say that I don't use good products. It's just to say that I try to use products that I don't use as often. So I don't use this styling gel. This is the Mael Moisture RX styling gel. And it's not a bad gel. It's not a bad gel at all. I just don't use it often. So I try to use things that I don't use as often, because I'm gonna have to use products anyway, you know? So like, I might as well use the products that I don't use as often, as opposed to me using like, I don't know, using like this pomegranate and honey coiling custard, you know? Just because, look, sweetie, I'm gonna use that. I really want to use that on my head, not on this hair that was given to me, okay? So they have clips. These are clip-ins, so they have clips. You just unclip them, 1, 2, and you're just gonna take them and just like push the clip-in into your braid, right? And you're gonna cover it, so it's gonna be a long ponytail. And then you wanna, because this is a 2 clip-in, you just want to go around in a circle and clip it in where it fit in. And this may take a second sometimes because your hair is braided. That's another reason you don't need to braid it super tight, okay? So first one, boom. First one, boom. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You ain't even gonna know. So we're gonna do another, we're gonna do a 2, let's do a 3. We're gonna do a 3. And again, just gonna spray some water. Did y'all just see that? So I'm gonna speed this process up, but I'm just gonna spray water, put some gel, and then put it on my ponytail. When I get to the very top though, I will come back and show you how to do to the very top. Make sure you get as close to the base as possible. So I'm just going to put it here, clip it in. Wrap it around, making sure like I'm really close to the base of my ponytail. Okay. Ooh, look at that ponytail. So we're gonna cover it up. So when you look at your hair, you can see probably there's going to be like a little section that may be a little longer or something like that. If something isn't looking right, put some gel on it, get it to curl back up in the way that you want it to, and it'll dry, obviously. So don't worry too much about it. Okay, so you're just going to take a piece of hair from the bottom. It doesn't need to be like super thick or anything, but like enough to cover the base of your ponytail. So you want to take that, you want to spread it out so it covers the clips, and just bring it around the base of your ponytail until all the clips are covered and you have no more hair to twist around. So as you can see, this is the last part for me. So I'm going to take a bobby pin. So you're just going to take a bobby pin. It doesn't have to be a long one. I'm using an extra long one right now, but it doesn't have to be. Leave this on for like 10 minutes. So I will be back to show you the final results. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back. I put some makeup on, just a little bit of makeup, you know, nothing crazy. You know, nothing crazy. And the reveal. So this is what we are looking like. Let me get something real quick. Let me do something. See, when you do your makeup and your hair is sitting, you see this right here? You gotta make sure you still be getting all up in here, you know, with that foundation. See the difference, child? So this is the final look. If you love this slick back ponytail, perfect for any occasion. Even if you are protective styling, this protects your hair. You cannot see any of my hair. It looks good. And yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. I've done this style so many times already. I'll continue to do it. You can make this as full as you want it to be. I only use, I think, 4 clip-ins. I don't really care to have it that thick right now. I'm not going nowhere. Again, quarantine, full face, ready to go. Nowhere, but to the living room. But yeah, so this is my slick back ponytail. Tell me if you like this, if you've tried this before. And that is the end of this tutorial. If you want more content like this, or you like this type of content, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It lets me know that you like content like this, and then I can give you more. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe either. Just subscribe to your girl. I'm really trying to hit a goal of, I looked over here because I have the goal written down on my vision board. I want to hit 20,000 subscribers this year, so please help me reach my goal. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.